Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Wealthfront for passive income investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Wealthfront for passive income investing, start by visiting their official website. Once you're on the site, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. After entering your information, click on Create Account to proceed. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information. Fill in details such as your name, address, and phone number as requested. Wealthfront may also ask about your financial situation and investment goals. Be sure to provide accurate information, as this helps with customized investment recommendations. Once completed, review their terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box and proceed by clicking Continue. You may need to verify your email address through a link sent to your inbox. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your account. After verification, log back into your Wealthfront account using your email and password. Now, it's time to set up your investment account. Click on the Investment tab to start the setup process. You will be asked to choose your investment preference options. Wealthfront offers various strategies, so select the one that best aligns with your financial goals. Once you've selected your preferences, you'll need to link your bank account. Enter your bank information by providing your routing and account numbers. This will allow you to transfer funds easily for investing. After linking your bank account, you can set up recurring deposits if desired. Decide how much you want to invest initially and on a regular basis. Once all this is done, review your investment plan. Ensure everything meets your expectations before finalizing. Finally, click on Invest Now to activate your account. Congratulations, you are now connected with Wealthfront for passive income investing. Check back regularly to monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.